Hi, this is the Wyze scale Bluetooth smart body composition monitor. I got it yesterday, and this is the unboxing. Very nice packaging. Here's the back of it, and those are all the features that come with it. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read it. Oh, by the way, if you have the Wyze scale, I would recommend you to get the Wyze pen. I think they would go great together. I'm one of the early backer. That's why I got this sticker. I also got one for the Wyze pen. This is a user manual. And here is the scale. It does come with batteries. Let's see what type of battery it takes. It's 4 AAA batteries. And here's the scale. Oh, by the way, it feel really sturdy. It's heavier than I thought, which is good. Some more information on it, telling you how to set it up. I wish most manufacturers did the battery door like this instead of the little tab that you have to click. Let's take this off. Oh, when I did order this on the website, I had no idea this was made of glass. I'm surprised. It looks so nice. And this is the Wyze scale. I will be doing a follow-up video showing you how it works and if I recommend anybody to buy it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.